Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Central Executive Committee jong ka United Democratic Party ka balasong ya ka jingalang ha ka khandai terik unailar arajar khat khandai hanong ba Shillong kala shim ya ka rai ban sakarpat iki Paralok seng perthei ki baya treilang hapo ka kanhun jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ban nom Pynïeng Kyrtong ha ka election chiteng samoi ka ban salong ha Shella constituency.
We have decided that the party will endorse what the general meeting of the Shella constituency will take a call and finalize the candidature for the Shella seat. For your information, the consensus already arrived at, as we learn from the leaders of the party Shella, that the consensus was in favor of a candidate from the family of Dr. Kyrtong, and that matter has been consulted also with the family, but they will finally take a call at a public meeting. Which will be held at Shella on the 22nd of August. So whatever they decide, today we have decided that the party will endorse the decision that will arrive at on that day.